friends! Welcome to the Giggle Garden. Do you want to play a game with us? It's called the Giggle Dance. Come on, let's go!
Come on, everybody! Let's dance together! Wiggle, wiggle, hop, hop, hop. Spin and float, don't you stop. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Dancing together on our feet. Giggle, giggle, clap, clap, clap. Spin around, take a nap. Jump up high, then down to the ground. The giggle dance is going all around. Bouncy the Bunny hopping in the sky. Blinky the Firefly flying way up high. Boo the ghost with a glowing glow. Spins and twirls, ready, set, go. Giggle, giggle, clap, clap, clap. Spin around, take a nap. Jump up high, then down to the ground. The giggle dance is going all around. Feel the giggles, feel the cheer. We're dancing with friends, far and near. Spin, jump, wiggle, and smile. Let's dance together for a while. Giggle, giggle, clap, clap, clap. Spin around, take a nap. Jump up high, then down to the ground. The giggle dance is going all around.
Wow, you did amazing! You wiggled, hopped, and spun like a professional. Well done, friend. See you next time. Woohoo! You did it! Great job watching the video, friends. Wasn't that song super awesome? Now it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember from the song. We've got 5 fun and exciting questions waiting for you. Can you answer them all? And here's a secret tip. If you want to be a quiz champion, just watch the video again, sing your heart out, and get ready to shine. Let's get started and have some fun. Are you ready? Let's go. What color is Blinky the Firefly? Green, golden, or red? Golden? What does Bouncy the Bunny love to do? Swim, hop up and down, or fly? Hop up and down. Where does the dance take place? A spooky cave, a magical castle, or the Giggle Garden? The Giggle Garden. What happens when Boo says freeze? Everyone stops moving like a statue. The lights go out. Or everyone disappears. Everyone stops moving like a statue. What's the most important rule of the Giggle Dance? Have fun and giggle, stay completely still. Or only watch and not dance. Have fun and giggle. Great job, superstar. You did amazing. Now it's time for even more fun. Guess what? Below in the description, you can download a free coloring page just for you. Get your crayons, markers, or pencils and let your creativity shine. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can join us for more songs, quizzes, and fun activities.